Good morning, guys, or afternoon, evening, whatever part of the day this is for you. It is the sixth day of the fifth week of this program. We're closing out week 5. And today I want to share with you on this active rest day today, being intentional about what our goals are, about what our why is, that we talked about in week 1. And I'll use an easy example for me. I have a fitness goal of maintaining muscle. In order for me to have the fitness goal, to attain a fitness goal of building muscle, or what I think is a satisfactory amount of muscle, I have to be more intentional with that. And I have to focus on, maybe my protein has gone down, maybe it's the home workouts and the exercise boxes and the cardio that we've been doing together that's affected it. So maybe I need to eat even more calories in order to not get smaller. Whatever it is that you're working towards with this program, it's always a great idea to be intentional. And that goes a long way. And that's why I said, let's take it deeper than a goal when we first started this program. What's our why? Why are we doing this? Continue to remind yourself of why you're doing it and take the necessary intentional steps for what you need to do to continue on towards that. I'll see you tomorrow.